my name is Valerie. Since we're going to be home for a while, I want to propose you to do an activity with your child. I know most of the time we spend our days with people that we don't really know and few times with our child, but now all of a sudden we're all together in the same house. So I want to propose you a moment to connect with your child by doing some Bannock. I'm pretty sure you guys all know how to make some Bannock, but we're still gonna put the recipe on our website. But I want to propose you to do it differently. First, use this moment to connect with your child. You can first smile at your child. It will be a sign that this moment will be like such an amazing time, a good time. Laugh will erase the stress for a little while and just make people happy. You can add some secret ingredient like blueberries. They're so good. It feels good to eat some blueberries. But you can also add some love. Kids needs to be recomfort in that moment. And as adult, as their parents, you're the one who can do it. Use also that moment to use your creativity. Instead of doing a round Bannock, make some good forms, some creative forms. So I wish you to spend a great time with your child, a time that they will not forget. Also, tell them their story. Tell them where you learn how to make some Bannock, who you were with. Use that moment to talk about your culture. Share every moment. Get them to know you even better. So have a good time. Enjoy. And share this Bannock with all the people that you love in your house. To all your relatives. Miigwech.